Hey, it is me again, coming to you with the unboxing. Good Times collection. Very nice. While I do have the squirrel, I don't know, it's kind of cute. What is that out of? Oh, that's out of felt. Can't be that fancy, I don't think. If we case that one. Thanks. I don't have thanks. I think I have happy birthday. Okay, well, we'll figure out what card we're going to case, okay? Okay. I have not prepped anything. I'm sorry, guys. Really wanted to just make sure I had some videos to put up this week because I haven't had anything being put up lately. So such is life. What are you gonna do? Okay, let's look at this gorgeous color palette. I do love the colors that came this time. It is different, like she said in her unboxing, than what she normally, has. So, but I love this tan with everything. I love those hearts too. So, that's adorable though. I really do like it. Stamp sets, awesome this time too. Wishing you a season full of blessings. Sorry about the glare. Thankful for your kindness. So much to be thankful for. Find joy in the little things. Give thanks with a grateful heart. May your birthday be filled with enough laughs and good time to last you all year. That's nice. I like that. You get the chocolate. Chocolate and banana, as she would say. Gingham, oh sorry. Gingham banana and chocolate skinny ribbon. I don't know what you guys call that. You get some chocolate twine. This humongous Good Times die. It's 3 inches. Well, a little less than 3 inches from the blade. So, about 2.5 inches. And almost 3 inches wide, actually. That's pretty cool. I really like it, though, because the letters are not skinny, so. You get your epoxy dots, which I think we can all say is just deliciousness. I love these things. Banana flowers, gorgeous. And these things, burlap. And let's see. Yeah, I did get 3, like she said, and she wasn't sure if you got 3 or 2, so. Well, I got 3 of those anyway. I'm assuming they all have 3. They probably cut it that way. Ooh, it's falling to pieces. So yeah, these are really cool though. I like them. Different. I'm wondering how they're going to glue down though, because the glue seems like it will seep through if you use liquid, so not real sure about how that's going to go. We shall see. We shall see. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy your kit and you have... Alright, we're just going to end it. Y'all have a great week. We'll see you next time. Bye.